In this episode, USS Alabama, the long life of the Lucky A. The battleships defined the might and effectiveness of the naval fleet of major sea powers in the first half of the 20th century. These vessels incorporated the latest scientific and technical achievements. Each new ship received thicker armor and more powerful large-caliber guns.
The battleships were becoming real sea giants. To put a stop to the naval arms race, a conference was convened in Washington in 1922. The major sea powers reached an agreement to reduce the number of battleships, limit their primary armament caliber, the displacement, and other characteristics. Despite the strict limitations imposed by the treaty, scientific progress allowed participating countries to continuously upgrade the speed, the armor, and the armament of their battleships.
The U.S. battleships of the South Dakota class are one of the most successful examples of the new design approach. It included 4 vessels, USS Alabama being the last of them.
We're standing on the deck of the battleship USS Alabama BB-60 that was actually, the keel was laid February the 1st, 1940. It took over 3,000 men and women working 24 hours a day, 30 months to build the ship. She was christened February 16th of 42. She was commissioned into the United States Navy on August the 16th of 1942. She served 4.5 years, earned 9 battle stars.
Total displacement, 44,500 tons. Length, 680 feet. Beam, 108 feet. Draft, 36 feet. Armament. Primary armament, 9 Mark VI guns in 3 turrets. Caliber, 16-inch. Range of fire, armor-piercing shells, 18.2 miles. High explosive shells, 19.8 miles. Dual-purpose artillery, 10 Mark 28 turrets with 2 Mark 12 guns each. Caliber, 5-inch. Anti-aircraft artillery, 12 quadruple Bofors guns. 48 Oerlikon Mark 2, 3, 4, 78 cannons. Air group from 2 to 3 OS-2U float planes. Armor, belt 12.2 inches. Primary armament turrets from 7.2 to 18 inches. Conning tower from 4 to 16 inches. Maximal speed 27 knots. Range 13,000 nautical miles at 15 knots.